And tonight, 10 News found a loophole in the state law banning drivers from using cell phones, which could potentially put your child at risk. We uncovered that bus drivers, like the one you see here, are legally allowed to use their cell phones behind the wheel if it's for business. 10 News reporter Maria Arcega-Dunn is live downtown with what we've learned some local bus companies are now doing despite the law. Maria.
Well, bus drivers around the county are entrusted with a great many lives, far more than you and I. And even though it seems absurd to use a cell phone with so many passengers, a local attorney tells 10 News it is absolutely legal.
This bus driver has been suspended after this video showed her texting while driving a bus full of middle school students in Florida. In the video, she appears to be steering with her leg and at one point drifts out of her lane. What seems outrageous, San Diego attorney Coleen Cusack says the act of the bus driver using her phone isn't against the law.
In California, it's not illegal for school bus drivers to be on their cell phone as long as what they're communicating has some bearing to their work.
Cusack says the law is not only unsafe but unconstitutional. She tells 10 News exempting one group of drivers in charge of numerous lives and then citing others is discriminatory. So she's challenging the state vehicle code that allows bus drivers exemption from the cell phone distracted driving law.
Anybody, even any driver who goes to court and challenges this on that basis, can walk away without paying their ticket.
Cusack tells 10 News although bus or transit drivers can use their phones, companies can make their own determinations. We checked several local transit companies and school districts. North County Transit allows its drivers to have a phone on board as long as it's put away. The Poway School District's bus drivers must strictly adhere to a policy of no cell phone use while driving.
I would like to see a law that applies to everybody equally, that doesn't make exceptions to certain occupations, especially the occupation that we trust our children with.
And Cusack says there are additional exceptions, people making emergency calls and also emergency responders. And she says with those kinds of laws on the books, any one of us can get out of a cell phone driving infraction. We're live in downtown. Maria Arcega-Dunn, 10 News.